Fine. This is a 12th problem based on Sainik School Entrance Examination 2020. Right. A sum fetched a total simple interest. Okay. Total simple interest of rupees 4,016.25 paisa at the rate of 9% in 5 years. What is the sum? This is a simple interest problem. Simple interest problem. Right. What they have given, let us list out here. They have given simple interest, that is 4,016 rupees 25 paisa, and they have given rate is 9%, right, and time they have given, time is 5 years. What we are supposed to find out? The sum. We know that is nothing but sum is nothing but principal. So we know P is equal to, not P, SI, simple interest, is equal to PRT by 100, correct? Now we need this P, it is principal. So P is equal to, what happens, this will go, 100 will go, the numerator of the left hand side, that will become SI into 100, that divided by R and T will come here, R into T. Now just substitute the values of simple interest, rate and T, and simplify it, you will get the answer. Okay, P is equal to SI. SI is how much? 4016.25 into 100, that divided by rate is 9 into 5. So now, you have to divide it. Let it be like this, or otherwise multiply this, because 0.25 is there. If you multiply with 100, this automatically, this decimal will go. So this will become 401625, that divided by 9 into 5. Because it ends with 5, you can directly divide by 5, right? So either you can go with this way, or otherwise this way, normal division method, or otherwise directly you can do 5 1s are, 5 8s are. So I can't divide 1, so I'll place 0, then I'll take 16, 5 3s are 15, 1 remainder, 5 2s are 12, 2 remainder, 5 5s are. So now what we got? 80325, that divided by 9. Now let us start dividing by 9. So 9, if you find difficult, you go with this way only. I will divide like this: 9 80325, 9 8s are 72. Okay, 72, 8 remainder, I'll bring down 3, 9 9s are 81, right, 2 remainder, I'll bring down 2, 8 2s are, 8 2s are how much? 18, 18, 4, then 5, 9 5s are 45. So the answer is what? 8925. What is this 8925? It is principal. Okay, principal. So the answer is D here.